everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final presentation assembly of 2020. It's Friday, the 18th of December, and we're here for our Year 6 presentation assembly to award all those children who've been working feverishly in Year 6 throughout all the different subjects, and they really have. If it isn't you, don't worry. Come spring term, summer term, it could be you. Copy these children, work hard. See how they're working. If you copy them, who knows, it could well be you getting these certificates at the next presentation assembly. But congratulations go to these. Obviously, I have our house captains to help us, so Danielle's going to help us, and we're going to start off with our English stars, and these 4 children have earned themselves a certificate.
Ella, Cody, Emily and Luke.
Ella, Cody, Emily and Luke. Yes, Cody, big thumbs up and big smiles from all of those children. There should be, because they've been working so hard in English. You should see the quality of their writing alone. It is phenomenal. And I know over Christmas, keep up writing, keep reading, because you'll hit the ground running then in January. You better carry on with your progress, and amazing progress. Well done all 4 of you. Put those in pride of place at home, and who knows, you might get a special treat again over Christmas because you deserve it. So really well done. Thank you, Daniel, thank you. Our math stars. Here we go, come on Ella. Here she comes, having just won herself a certificate. We might as well find out who our children have been working super hard on their maths, and our mathematicians. Here they are.
Sophie, Katie, Jeffrey and Jaden.
And again, look at that. Sophie, Katie, Jeffrey and Jaden. Big smiles from all 4 of those, and they absolutely should be, because they've been working so hard in their maths. Again, keep it up. If there's things you're going to do over Christmas, actually just keep practicing your times tables. Okay? Go on times table Rockstar. Have a go. Just keep doing that over Christmas, because that'll keep you ticking over, ready to hit the ground running in January. So well done, you 4 Year 6ers. I am proud of you. The way you're setting out your maths was phenomenal as well. So keep it up and well deserved. So congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Our scientists, so those working scientifically throughout this term, and actually the science has been quite interesting with looking at different things from pig hearts and various other bits, the circulation system. So these children have been working super hard on their science.
Edric, Callum, Leon and Julia.
Edric, Callum, Leon and Julia. We need more scientists in the world. We absolutely do. It's the current pandemic. We need more scientists. So please keep asking the where, the what, the why and who, because it will help us. And hopefully one of you will go on and become a scientist as well and help us fight off various diseases and things maybe coming in the future. So please keep working scientifically. We need more scientists. You 4 are starting that journey, so really, really well done and congratulations. Enjoy your certificates, well done. Thank you. History stars are historians, been learning about the past and learning all about the past and why we are where we are and why we do what we do today. Here they are. Ella, come on, let's find out who the 4 historians for Year 6 are this term.
Aston, Sky, Ruby and Tedas.
Again, Aston, Sky, Ruby and Tedas. Ruby, who's just joined us as well this year. Amazing work. Well done, Ruby, earning a certificate in your first term. Super effort, really well done. But all of you working super hard. Big, nice, smiling faces as well. Well done on everything that you were doing with your history topics throughout this term. And the way you've been setting out your work as well has been truly impressive. Congratulations, and hopefully you'll get a nice special treat with your certificate this Christmas. Well done. Congratulations, I'm proud of you all. Thank you. Our reading stars. Now we have reading. Mr. Allen's asking all children throughout school to read at least 5 times a week. The expectation is that you will read every day. And for some children, especially these 4 coming up, they are reading every day, at least twice a day. So really well done to these 4 children. We've got, not only with a certificate, we've got some amazing reading books as well for them. There's one thing I will ask you to do over Christmas, that's read. Please read every single day, because if you read every single day, you will make progress. And again, in January, you'll hit the ground running and you will make further progress. So please do keep it up. And these children will be able to, because they have reading books. Let's find out the 4 children who've got their reading stars. They are Scarlett with Skellig. Look at that, Scarlett. Really well done. Skellig coming home with you today. And we have Damien. Look at that, Damien. We've got here, look, Michael Morpurgo, Private Peaceful. It's an amazing book for you to read over Christmas. Really well done. Another one, Angel. Look at that, another Michael Morpurgo with Shadow. About the dog Shadow. Really well done. Well done, Angel. Really proud of you. Enjoy that book. And then finally, we've got Harlow. Look at Harlow with Carrie's War. Nina Borden. Really, really well done. Some amazing books for you to read over Christmas as well. Please do have a read. Tell me all about them. If you get a chance to read them, lovely to hear in January what they're all about and what you thought of those books. So huge congratulations. Enjoy your books. Enjoy your certificates. An early Christmas present for you all. Well done. Moving on, we have our house points. Here it is, the Keen Cup. Look at that, look. There it is, beautiful, look. Now, obviously our house captains are looking forward to find out who's holding on to the Keen Cup. First of all, we've got to find out the top 3 in each of the classes and see how many house points they've earned. Multiply it by 5 and you'll see how many merits these children have been earning. Let's have a look. In Mr. Davidson's in first place, 26, Ellie, well done Ellie, 26 house points, amazing. In second place we have Scarlett Marie, head on 29, and just in first place we have 30, Amelia, just 1 house point. Let's give those 3 children a round of applause, really well done. Again, multiply by 5, you can see how many Amelia's earned, amazing number of merits there, so really, really well done, helping out that house. Miss Percy's, we have Callum, 26, so that's the same as Ellie. In second place we've got Edric, again 29, exactly the same as Scarlett. Look at this matching, it'll be interesting. You see if the first place is, 31, Zara May, just heading up year 6s there. Well done Zara May. Again, Zara May, Edric, Callum, give them a round of applause. Well done you 3, amazing number of house points. We take all those house points, put them together, divide by the number in each of the houses, right the way through from year 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then we'll find out who's on it. Now, Felbrick had hold of it at half term. Let's see. Here we go. Congratulations goes to Holcomb! Come on, Holcomb! Big cheer. Well done. Fantastic. Crowds go wild. Well done, everyone in Holcomb. But if you are in Felbrigg, Sandringham or Blickling, please don't give up. There's not even a house point in it. You know, Felbrigg had it at half term. It was exactly the same case. So come the spring term, keep working hard. It'd be nice to see if Sandringham and Blickling can get their hands on it for half a term. Who knows? Really well done to everyone in Holcomb, but well done to everyone in school, because no one in school hasn't earned merits or house points this term. Everybody has, and that list where we've got the top 3, they're very close. There's only house points going down, so they're very, very close. So keep working as hard as you can come the spring term and earn as many merits and house points as you can. Well done, Holcomb. Moving on, the Bremner Shield. This is what we've all been working towards. Throughout this term, all the classes have been working towards seeing who gets the Bremner Shield for the best attendance this term. We are finally there, and we have our attendance league completed with all of our 14 classes throughout school just to see where they are. And we're going to see who's holding on to the shield at the end of this term and who we need to congratulate and who those children are. So let's have a little look and a quick run through from 14th place, Miss Barrett. In 13th place, we've got Mr. Pinner. In 12th place, Mr. Ackerman. In 11th, Miss White. In 10th, Miss Arthurton. In 9th, Mr. Davidson. In joint 7th is Miss Musselwhite and Miss Percy. Now, just pause it there, because actually, as you'll see, they're all Key Stage 2 classes. There's not a Key Stage 1 or reception class in amongst it. So that tells you that all 6 classes in the top 6 are either in Year 1, Year 2 or reception. So, I hope you're sitting there, eager anticipation for those classes. Let's find out. In 6th place, Miss Begum, Year 1. In 5th place, Miss Howkins, Year 2, brilliant. In 4th place, Miss Hall, superb. So the top 3, here we go. In 3rd place, Mrs. Cook, well done Mrs. Cook, 3rd place. Fantastic effort there. That's probably your best finish so far with Year 2s, well done. In 2nd place, Miss Marshall, Year 1. Which, drum roll please everyone. In 1st place, look, Miss Arnold, a reception class. Come on, the first time ever a reception class have held on to the attendance league for a term. That is amazing. All reception Year 1s, Year 2s. This has been an amazing term for those children. Thank you, parents. Thank you for getting your children in. Well done to, look at that, Turtle class. You absolute superstars. You are the winners of the attendance league. Huge congratulations to you. I'll be bringing this round to your class. You keep that in class throughout next term and hopefully keep it up in the spring term. Really well done. Well done to everyone. Thank you, parents, for continuing to support us and getting your children to school. This has been the best term attendance for Marcross Primary School we have had. So really well done. Thank you so much. Right, moving on. Obviously, we have got our Christmas holidays are upon us. We break up this afternoon at 3:15 and the children are back to school on Monday the 4th of January, and as you can see, gates will be open at 8:30. My final message, thank you parents for all of your support throughout this term. We could not have got through this term without it. We really could not. I am constantly asking you all to stay home, protect Marcross, help keep school open. I'm still sending that message over and out at Christmas, please. It's really important. COVID hasn't gone away. It's still with us. Yes, we do want to visit our loved ones and our families. Please be careful over this period and this time. These are the times where I want to get back in January. We can continue being open, staying fully open, and looking out for the whole community of Marcross. So please, let's keep this concerted effort. We've got to today by doing that, by all keeping safe. So thank you all so much, because in the long run, it will benefit your children. Your children are loving coming to school. They're making progress. They're earning themselves certificates. So please, let's keep it up. Have a safe Christmas holiday, and until January 2021, see you all soon. Bye-bye now.